Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to answer the question if any application for your Marshall WOBURN III is available for your both iPhone or iPad devices. The answer is yes, there is an application like that, and this application is called MARSHALL Bluetooth. To find this application, first you have to enter the App Store and here search. You have to tap search, and here in the search bar we have to type Marshall and search. As you can see, I typed it wrongly. Marshall. Here, as you can see, we have Marshall Bluetooth. Is this application from Marshall Group 8B. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.